one of the drivers for the Yorkshire pea factory and its location was sustainability. So any product that goes into our factory is produced in a carbon neutral facility, and the drive now is to extend that back into the agriculture. So over the next few years we'll be working with local farmers to try and produce a carbon neutral pea that we can deliver to a carbon neutral factory that we have at the moment, and then deliver those through a carbon neutral logistics chain to the marketplace. I think it's important to Yorkshire Greens, but it's important to us all. We all know the effects of carbon on climate change, and we all have a responsibility as businesses to actually have some positive impact on that. We need to, because climate change is actually having quite a profound effect already on our businesses and in the way that we grow peas.